This video compares Ditto X4 and Boss RC-500 looper pedals. Choosing the right looper pedal can transform your music creation without complexity. Ditto X4 offers simplicity and ease, while Boss RC-500 delivers advanced features and versatility. Ditto X4 and Boss RC-500 are both powerful looper pedals but serve different needs. Ditto X4 focuses on straightforward looping with intuitive controls, while Boss RC-500 is a feature-rich looper designed for complex performances and multi-track layering. The Ditto X4 by TC Electronic is a compact, user-friendly looper pedal designed for musicians seeking simplicity and high-quality sound. It features two independent loop tracks with dedicated controls, allowing seamless overdubbing and real-time loop manipulation. The pedal works by capturing your instrument's audio, letting you layer loops effortlessly with a single foot switch per track. Its strengths lie in its intuitive interface, true bypass for preserving tone, and high-fidelity 24-bit audio. It supports unlimited overdubs and loop lengths limited only by memory, making it ideal for live performers who want quick setup and minimal distractions. However, it lacks the extensive built-in effects and multi-track complexity found in more advanced loopers. The Ditto X4 is perfect for guitarists and instrumentalists who prioritize ease of use and straightforward looping without navigating complex menus or settings. The Boss RC-500 is a professional-grade looper pedal built for musicians who demand versatility and control. It offers two stereo tracks with independent inputs and outputs, allowing for intricate multi-track performances and layering. The pedal features onboard effects, rhythm guide, and extensive memory for storing loops, making it suitable for both live and studio use. Operation involves detailed control over loop playback, overdubbing, and track synchronization, accessible via multiple foot switches and an easy-to-read LCD display. Its strengths include stereo inputs and outputs, built-in drum patterns, and the ability to import and export loops via USB. The complexity of the RC-500 means there is a steeper learning curve, and it may be overwhelming for beginners. This looper is ideal for advanced musicians, looping artists, and performers who want to integrate multiple instruments or vocal tracks into their loops with professional precision. Comparing Ditto X4 and Boss RC-500 highlights a trade-off between simplicity and advanced functionality. The Ditto X4 excels in quick, no-fuss looping with its straightforward controls and excellent sound quality, making it ideal for solo performers or beginners. In contrast, the Boss RC-500 offers extensive features like stereo inputs, built-in rhythms, and multi-track capabilities, perfect for complex live setups or studio work. While the RC-500 provides greater creative flexibility, it requires more time to master and may be more than necessary for casual loopers. The Ditto X4's compact design and ease of use make it a reliable companion for on-the-go playing, whereas the RC-500's robust feature set suits musicians ready to invest time into detailed loop production. Choosing between them depends on your performance style and how much control you want over your looping experience. Choose Ditto X4 if you want a simple, high-quality looper with intuitive controls that lets you focus on playing without technical distractions. Opt for the Boss RC-500 if you need advanced looping features, stereo inputs, and built-in rhythms for complex performances. Its versatility makes it a powerful tool for serious musicians aiming to elevate their live or studio looping setups.